Welcome back. Now we're going to work on experiment number 2. Let's say you want to go in the southwest direction. How do you find that? Let's figure it out together. First, check your kit. It should have the coordinate bezel in place with the red side of the needle and your body pointed to north. Since we're headed southwest, turn the yellow coordinate bezel so that the SW marker lines up with the yellow direction arrow. Next, it's time to put the red in the shed. That means you need to turn both the black base and the yellow bezel together until the red side of the needle fits perfectly into the red part of the bezel. Just like this. Now, turn your body to face the direction shown by the direction of travel arrow. Walk in that direction, and voila, you're moving southwest. Fantastic work! Try this experiment with different coordinate directions, and you can even challenge yourself by starting with a direction other than north. Now you know how to use a compass like a pro. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next experiment.